When the unexpected happens, Kal Tire is there when you need us. We'll get your fleet vehicles moving again with Canada's largest and most reliable mobile commercial service. Start your service request by completing the form on our digital platform for fast response times in less than 5 minutes. Our own dispatch team is ready 24/7 to see your request and send you an SMS to capture breakdown location coordinates. One of our more than 500 expert technicians and service trucks are then dispatched. Throughout, we send you text messages, so you know your request is confirmed and your technician is on the way. With those GPS coordinates, our technician easily finds you and gets to work with Kal Tire standards at every step. Your tailored customer service guide ensures the service technician has arrived with the tires you need to save time. Plus, with our network of over 270 stores and warehouses, we've always got tires in stock. Once the work is complete, you and your fleet team get a final notification, and the invoice is on its way. When every minute counts, count on Kal Tire to keep your vehicles rolling.